I'm Michelle Sweeny, and today I'm going to talk about how to play Hanon with your left hand. And I'm assuming that you've already watched my first video about Hanon exercises, so this is the second in a series. Okay, so if you want to learn how to play the piano quickly and have just really fast fingers, this is really great for increasing your speed and your ability. And it's also really great to have exercises like this that really allow you to hone in on perfecting your technique and making sure that you're playing the piano with the proper adjustments and attitude and wrist movement and finger movement and things like that. So we're going to really focus on technique as we study these Hanon exercises, because otherwise they're just boring. So that's how you really use etudes and exercises like this. You use it to really focus on something that you can improve that will affect all of your musical playing. And it's easy to focus on the technique because the patterns are very simple. All right, so this is Hanon number 1 in C. It starts on this low C. And you're going to start on the C and then use your fourth finger, not on the note next to it, but you skip one note up to the E. Okay, so you have 5 and then 4 on the E. You do this scale pattern where you're playing each note with each finger up and down. And then once you get to the D with your pinky, you're going to move your fourth finger up a skip again. So you're moving your fourth finger to the F, and then you shift that whole pattern up just by one step each time you play the pattern. So that's the pattern. A few things to focus on when you're doing this. We already talked about following your finger that's playing with the wrist. That's something you can focus on. So just this subtle movement, allowing your arm to follow the finger that is currently needing arm weight to go down to it. That's one technique you can focus on, but I think since you already learned the right hand and now we're getting ready to put hands together, I think I'll teach you a new technique, and that is this pulling motion. So just like you're grabbing onto something or pinching something, like this sort of stroking of the keys is called a finger pull staccato, and it allows you to get this really crisp sound, and it's super fun with something like this. So it's like you're closing your fist as you play. Going back down. And then as you're doing that finger pull staccato, you can also try and move your wrist behind each finger as it plays. So that's kind of two things to focus on. Try and increase your speed. And once you get really good with the left hand of this one, then we'll put both hands together. Okay, that's enough for today. Thanks for doing piano with me. Bye.